Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with Paul Sherry Used Cars. Today I'm reviewing a 2011 Ford F-150 that we took in on trade. This is the XTR 4-door, 4-wheel drive F-150 pickup truck. Just driving it down the road. It has the 3.6 liter EcoTech engine in it with 2 turbos. Really a responsive truck. You can hear the turbos wind up, so plenty of power there. Brakes felt good. Suspension, I didn't hear anything weird on that. So overall drivability gets my pass here. I'm going to flip this around. We'll take a look at the interior, and then we'll jump to the exterior. Interior looks really clean. You know, in used pickup trucks, sometimes you can tell they've really been used hard. This one, it looks like very light use. It does have CD player, AM, FM, heating and air conditioning controls down here. It even has a port here for an aux port. This does have the factory trailer brake control. This is the electronic brake control. So if you're pulling a travel trailer or a utility trailer that's got electric brakes, it's already hooked up with the brake controller there. Your 4-wheel drive selectors right here. On the steering wheel, it does have cruise control buttons on the steering wheel. No lights, warning lights I should say, on the dash anywhere. It does have 83,373 miles as of the shooting of this video. Power mirrors. Also has power windows and power locks. I also like in the mirror itself, you can see the turn signal that pops up there. In a bigger vehicle, I always appreciate that when driving down the road. A couple nice beverage holders here, and a super deep compartment down there for all your stuff. All right, let's check out the outside. And so this being a Ford XTR, what XTR is, it's the chrome package. So you get the factory chrome running boards, chrome grille inserts, chrome tow hooks, chrome wheels. So all the chrome door handles, all in the XTR package. That's what that means. Front end here looks really good. Has the nice chrome bumper and grille. I don't see a lot of rock chips or anything like that on this. Tires on here do have some tread on it, not a lot. They are Goodyear tires on the front. The back is a lot of tread on those, which I'll show you here in a second. Again, factory running boards. Makes it easy to get up. Sorry, really loud car. Does have a little rust down here. Rear wheels, a lot of tread on the rear wheels. Again, XTR 4x4. A little bit of rust in the wheel well. Coming back here in the bed. Does have the liner for the bed and also the slip resistant mat, which is nice if you're hauling things around. Got a little dent back here in the bumper. Again, good tread on this rear wheel, and same spot of rust down here. Does have tinted windows. Overall, really nice truck. It does show a little bit of rust on the outside. Interior, super clean. Let's check out the back seats here. This is a crew cab, so you get a lot of room back here. Oh, let me go around and unlock the doors here. Sorry about that. All right, let's check out the rear. A lot of room here, so plenty of foot room there. Seats fold up for extra cargo space as well. So this completes this review on this 2011 Ford F-150. Really pretty good truck for a 10-year-old truck. You've seen the price of new ones. Check out the links below for price of this. Financing is available with approved credit, and we'd love to have your trade. Paying top dollar for it right now. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great rest of your day.